They say we're young and we don't know. We'll find out until we grow. Well, I don't know if it's all that's true, 'cause you got me and baby I got you. Baby, I got you, baby. I got you, baby. They say our love won't pay the rent before it's earned. Our money's all to spend. I guess that's so we don't have a part, but at least I'm sure of all the things we've done. Baby, I got you, baby. I got you, baby. I got flowers in the spring. I got you to wear my ring. And when I'm sad and a clown, I got scared you're always around. Don't let them say your hair's too long. I don't care, with you I can't go wrong. Then put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill, no mountain we can't climb. Baby, I got you, baby. I got you, baby. I got you to hold my hand. I got you to understand. I got you to walk with me. I got you to talk with me. I got you to kiss goodnight. I got you to hold me tight. I got you to won't let go. I got you to love me so. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was surfing again with you with hopefully another interesting little lesson from ages ago. A song called I Got You Babe, of course, by Sonny Cher. Okay, I'm doing it in the key of E. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos. If you want to play along with the record, the original recording, then just put a capo on the first fret and play everything I'm about to show you, but with the capo on the first fret. You'll be in the same key as the record, which is F. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is my arrangement for a single acoustic guitar. The other thing about the song is that I don't do the key change at the end of the song. I like to keep it nice and simple, Campfire version. Okay, so don't want to learn in two sets of chords, do we? So let's get to it. So the introduction is very simple. It's just E and A. Okay, so got the idea? That sort of thing. Okay, so E chord, you play the bottom E string open, then the fourth string and the third string. Okay, and you do that twice. Okay, open E, bottom E string, fourth string, third string, repeat. Okay, then we change to an A chord. We play the fifth string open, and we play the fourth string and the third string again, like we did with the E. Then the A string again, and fourth string, third string. Okay, then you do back to the E and repeat. So you do everything twice. Okay, so it's okay, that's the intro. Then we're into the chords for the verse, which are basically E to A, back to E, back to A, then it goes to D, and then a B7, the way I play it. Okay, so it's, they say we're young but we don't know, we'll find out until. Okay, got that? Once again, very slowly. Excuse me while I just attend to the female putty cat. Okay, there we go. Let's go through this again. E, They say we're young A, but we don't. Back to E, we won't find out. Back to A, D, B7. Now I like to put, you could just keep playing B7. I like to put in the old climbing little riff there. Okay, very simple. First fret, 4th string. Second fret, 4th string. 4th fret, 4th string. So 1st, 2nd, 4th on the 4th string. Okay? So then it goes back to the verse and repeats everything again that you've just done. So it's, I don't know if it's true, 'cause you got me, and baby, I got you. So 2 lots exactly the same. So from the intro, we'll do the intro and then the first couple of verses. They'll cut first verse, 2 halves of the first verse. Okay, so here we go. You say we're young and we don't know. We won't find out until we've grown. Well, I don't know if all that's true, 'cause you got me and baby I got you. Okay, then we go into the chorus. And it's very simple, it's just E to A, okay? But it changes the timing of it. It's like bum ching ching, bum ching ching. Bottom E string, so it's an E chord and an A chord. That's all that's in it, E and A again. Both bottom E string, ching ching. A chord, 5th string open, ching ching on the A chord. Okay, so and you do 2 on each chord, yeah? Okay, that's the idea for the chorus. Okay, so babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. And then we're off into another verse again. It plays exactly the same as the first verse. They say, say our love won't pay the rent. Sorry, let's start again. They say our love won't pay the rent. Before it's earned, our money's all been spent. I guess that's so, we don't have a pot, but at least I'm sure of all the things we've got. Chorus again, babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. Right, and this time we go sort of that bit on the end of the end of the chorus. So it's babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we go into the middle section, the bridge section, and that's F sharp minor. Barring the way I'm playing it, it just bar the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret, 1st finger, and then the 4th string on the 4th fret with your 3rd finger. Just play 4 down to 1. Okay. If you hit the 5th string open, it doesn't matter. But okay. And it's we need the pinky. That's why I'm not using any of the fingers. Okay. We need the pinky. So so coming out of that, I got flowers. Okay, so we do that there. So it's F. I got flowers. On flowers, you come in with the F sharp minor. I got flowers, and then we do this. So we flowers. Put pinky up to the 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then down to the 4th fret of the 2nd string, and keep it there. Okay, so I got flowers. In this spring, we go to a B chord. I'm playing a bar called B, 2nd fret bar, and barring this 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 3rd finger, and then it's suspended. It goes from the B, and then you add your pinky to the 5th fret on the 2nd string, and then off again. It's very quick. Okay, so I got flowers in the spring. Repeat, no, da 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 da. Okay, if you can't manage the B bar chord, play a simple B like that. First finger, second fret, top E string. The rest of the fingers on the 4th fret of the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. And when you do the suspended bit, just move your pinky up to the 5th fret on the 2nd string and then back again to the 4th fret. Okay, so it's I got flower in the spring, da da da, da told you rain. Okay, so that's the other way of playing that. Okay, if you don't want to play a bar chord B. Okay. And then we go into the next section. So let's just go from the we go from the babe bit. Okay, so I got you, babe. I got you, babe. Build up. I got flowers in the spring. I got you. My ring. Now this bit. And when I'm sad, that's an E chord on sad, yeah? And when I'm sad, what I like to do is emphasise, like it does on the record, those two notes after the E chord. That's from the E chord, it's the first on the 3rd and the 2nd on the 4th. So it comes and when I'm sad, I'm a clown, or you're a clown, sorry. So it's E, then you play an A chord, and repeat that again. It's first on the 3rd, 2nd on the 4th. So it's, and when I'm sad, you're a clown. And then what I do then is change to an A major 7th. Or you can go back to the A again if you like, it's up to you. Because you basically play another lot of A with that at the end of it. But I tend to change to an A major 7th, which is that chord. So it's like an A 7th with the open 3rd string, 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the 2nd, open 3rd. But this first finger goes to the 1st fret on the 3rd. Okay, so it's like a D7 but up a string. You play that chord and then those two again on their own. Yeah, so it goes where it comes into this bit where it goes, and when I'm sad, you're a clown, and I'm scared. And then we go to a B, or a simple B, or a B chord, or you could play a B7. Up to you. B7, a B bar chord, or a simple B. Whichever you like the sound of can play. Okay, so for this whole middle bit, I got flowers in the spring. I got you to wear my ring. And when I'm sad, you're a clown. And if I'm scared, you're around. At that point it would normally change the key, but I don't, okay? Back to another verse, exactly the same as usual. Don't let them say your hair's too long, 'cause I don't care, with you I can't go. Then put your little hand in mine, there ain't no hill or mountain within climb. Chorus, I got you. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. Right, so this is the last chorus, okay? When you've done that, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. After the last one, you just E, A, E, B7. Then you go into the final outro. I got you to hold my hand, I got you to understand. That's just E to A, E to B7. I got you to hold my hand, I got you to understand. Just keep going. I got you to walk with me, I got you to talk with me, I I got you to kiss goodnight. I got you to hold me tight. I got you, I won't let go. I want you to love me so. And E, A, E, and then stop on B7. I got a U, E, babe. End of song. Or you can carry on and do some more. It's up to you. Okay. So that whole bit when you come out of babe, babe, I got you, babe. I got you, babe. A, E, B7, E, I got you, A to hold my hand, E, I got the B7, just keep repeating that, E, da, da, A, da, da, E to B7, da, 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 and then keep going till you get to the end, and then stop on the B7. I got A, U, E, babe. That's how I finished it anyway. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. My ropey version of Got You Babe from Sonny and Cher for your Campfire. Okay, bye for now. See you in the next lesson.